And I think now we have uh, we have really discussed about what is going to happen. So what is remaining is to check whether what we have discussed is working, and I can just come here, follow this. First of all, we check on responsive. Let me start from here. You can see the styling. It's not good, so next time we shall make it styling very good. This is just rough because we had some problem, and the problem we are solving, we first of all see whether functionality is working well. So you can say we can use the slides. This one, we are the first slide, we go to the second slide, and we go to the get started. But when we say when you get started here, this last slide is when we are getting to the sign up. But we can also go back, again, and we can go back, and then the back disappeared because we are in the first slide. But you can go next. When you go next again, we can say no, we want to check about something. You see, it is working well, and as it is going, you see this slide, they are switching from one to next, and you can also use them, and they work well. You can also skip everything and go right when it loads. When it's just loads, you can skip here and you go straight to the sign up, or you can go next, and then you click here, get started, and you find yourself on this page. All right, and now that's for today. Next time when we meet, we shall discuss about the styling of of our our project more decent, because we have seen the problem we had, we have solved. Oh, but something before we finish is that we have to check whether the responsive is correct. So let's check on that.